Hey, I got a big buck outside. I was hoping you could process it for me. Yes, sir, I can certainly do that. It's going to be $100 skinning fee and $25 a quarter. Well, I already got them chunked up into 10-pound bags like this, so I just need the meat processed. Well, here's our pricing sheet, so just let me know what you want. All right, let me get some snack sticks, jalapeno cheddar sausage, and the rest ground. All right, then, come on back in a month and I'll have it ready for you. Hey, I get my own deer back though, right? It doesn't get mixed with somebody else's? Yes, you always get your own deer.
One eternity later.
Hey, what's up? Is my deer ready? Well, it's about time. I was done 3 weeks ago and there's a $5 storage fee per